You can make big money just by using Pinterest. Interested? Today, we'll be taking a look. Since its inception in 2010, Pinterest has been a popular social media platform for fashion, food, and DIY projects. But did you know you can also make money on Pinterest? In fact, you can make as much as $100 a day using Pinterest. And today, we're going to tell you how. And the best part? You don't need any special expertise to make it happen. And once you're rolling, you won't even need to put in much effort. So, if you enjoy pinning, hang tight. With 300 million users and growing, Pinterest is ripe with opportunities for would-be entrepreneurs. People may think of it as an image sharing and social media site, but it's really a link sharing site driven by visuals. Now that you understand that, you can start to understand how you can use Pinterest to create a source of passive income on the side. In fact, those who really know what they're doing can make tens of thousands of dollars by leveraging this incredible platform. Even smaller pinners that know how to monetize can make as much as $10,000 a month, like FinSavvy Panda, an account with less than 1 million followers and monthly viewers run by a woman named Ling, who very kindly shared her monthly income and growth numbers over the course of the past few years on her blog. So you can only imagine what someone with 10 times the reach of Ling, top users like Joy Cho, could make on the platform. All you need in order to make it happen for you is a little bit of know-how, an eye for content, and a little time to learn the ropes and get set up. To make money on Pinterest, you won't need much, but you'll most likely need a business Pinterest account, which is free to sign up for. If you're not already big into Pinterest, you'll want to familiarize yourself with how the platform works and what kind of pins do well before getting started. But beyond that, it's easy to do. And once you're up and running, you can start to make hundreds, if not thousands of dollars a month for little to no work. Let's take a look at the 7 ways you can make money using Pinterest. 1. Blogging. One of the most popular ways to start making money using Pinterest is to use it to direct traffic to a blog. Here's how that would work. First, you'll need to create a blog and make 5 to 10 good long informative posts. Your blog can be about whatever you want, whatever you're interested in or know something about, or even something you don't know anything about yet. If you're willing to take the time to do some reading and learn, then write up the posts. The best case is that you choose something you know and care about, so you can keep creating more content down the line without it becoming a huge burden to you. That said, some people hire freelancers to write their blog posts for them. It costs a little, but further reduces your personal time investment. You'll need to use Google AdSense, at least at first, to add monetized advertisements to your blog, so that whenever someone clicks through to your blog, you make money from the ads. Google AdSense is great because it has no minimum monthly views for you to start making money. However, once your website is getting a lot of traffic, you can upgrade to a better advertising and affiliate program so you can make more money per click. But that's a problem for down the line. First, you need to figure out how to send traffic to that blog, and that's where Pinterest comes in. You'll want to start pinning content related to what your blog is about, with links to your different posts. If you want to, you can create original graphics using online tools like Canva. You can take your own photographs, or you can use free online photo resources like Unsplash.com. It's best if you engage with other related content creators on Pinterest and join group boards to help bolster your content and get seen. And it's important that you write relevant captions for the images you share on Pinterest that aren't too jammed with keywords, so people can find you and get a sense for your brand. Basically, you want to create content people want to share and want to click through to see more of. If you do all that, you'll be sending traffic to your blog in no time and making money. It could take some time to pick up, and you'll need to stay on it and share content regularly if you want to create the big kind of Pinterest presence that makes thousands. But even just making these first few posts and then sharing links to them a few times can start to make you small amounts of money each month. To grow to several million followers and start making thousands of dollars, you'll need to do more of the things on this list and hustle a little harder. But if you love to share eye-catching content, it won't feel like work at all. Now, let's look at your next option. 2. Affiliate marketing. Since Pinterest is, again, basically a big link sharing site, a fairly easy way to start making passive income using Pinterest is to become an affiliate marketer. This is, essentially, when you share an affiliate link to someone else's product. When people see your content, click the link and buy the product, you get a commission off the sale and no extra cost to the consumer. It's a win-win situation for you and your followers. The best way to do this is by linking to your blog or website and then having the affiliate links on your site. But it can be done without starting a blog or website at all by simply creating pins that link directly to your affiliates. That said, if you decide to go the route of posting affiliate links directly to Pinterest, there are a number of rules you have to follow. Basically, you have to be as transparent as possible, labeling that it's an affiliate link and not masking or shortening the link. And you may have to contact the company whose affiliate link you're posting to get their specific rules about affiliate marketing on Pinterest. For example, Amazon doesn't let you use their images of products for affiliate marketing on Pinterest. And, in fact, the FTC requires you to be upfront about the fact that you have an affiliate relationship. So, even on your blog, it would be wise to put a disclaimer in. But none of this should stop you from doing it. Just make sure you know the rules and follow them. Lots of people buy things through affiliate links. You might as well be one of the people benefiting from that system, especially if you have good taste and love to use Pinterest. 3. Create Shop the Look pins. This one's similar in many ways to affiliate marketing links, but it uses a special Pinterest tool and has slightly different rules. To make Shop the Look pins, you'll definitely need a business account. But the good news is that you can spend a lot less time worrying about how you tag your posts. They're upfront about being sales-driven. All you need is photos of things you love, which you'll then tag with white dots to link to different products, affiliate or otherwise. This is a great tool because, with one post, you can link to your own blog or website, use affiliate marketing links for other people's products, and link to products of your own that you make, sell or dropship. All you need is a relevant image. The biggest challenge here is getting pictures that fit the bill. You'll need to create your own photos, get permission to use existing photos of the products in question, or find images you can use that feature similar products. 4. Sell original graphics. Moving on to something that takes marginally more skill, though not by much. If you have an eye for graphic design, or have a photo studio, or do product photos, you can get into making pins, not just for yourself but for others too, and make some money doing it. This can be as simple as adding text or fixing up a layout of existing images, or as involved as getting into original photography. But if you have an eye for creating click-worthy pins, you can start offering your services to brands, creators, and even other small blogs who want to start making money using Pinterest. If you can provide a service they don't know how to do, you can make extra money just using your skills and your sense for what will work on Pinterest. This is an especially great option for graphic designers. We suggest you start small with just 1 or 2 clients. If you're not already in the freelance realm, you can use sites like Fiverr or make graphics advertising your services to post on Pinterest. If you have success and find you like it, you can make a good business out of making pins, not just for yourself, but for others who need it. 5. Sell your own products. Next up, we have an option that's great for the makers of the world. You can sell your own services or products using Pinterest, and no need to spend money on promoted posts, unless you want to make a targeted effort to expand your reach down the line. All you'll have to do is create a Pinterest presence and start posting images of what you do and pins that support what you do with links to your online store. If you make something physical, like pillowcases or artwork, it's easy to simply get nice photographs of your products, You may even already have those if you're established in your brand off Pinterest. Post them with relevant keywords and hashtags and let people discover you. Of course, the more you engage and the harder you work to build your audience, the more engagements you'll have and more sales you'll make. But simply doing the work of making good posts and sharing them can bolster your Pinterest reach so you can make money. This also works for service-based providers like copywriters, consultants, and coaches. The only difference is that your primary content will be graphics related to your offerings. So, instead of photos of mugs, you'll be posting original graphics of favorite quotes, meditations, advice, and so on. Hot tip! If you're interested in making sure you're using Pinterest as effectively as possible, one of the best things you can do is to invest in some current resources on techniques for making use of Pinterest. Spending $10 or $20 on a well-reviewed ebook and a couple of hours reading will be a very worthwhile investment if it can, and for the record, it can, help you lead to $1,000 or more per month in passive income from Pinterest. 6. Do joint promotions with brands. Once you've started to build a sizable following on Pinterest and had some success using it, you can start working with brands to do joint promotions or shared Pinterest boards. This opportunity is one that will come a little later, but if you can get to this level, you can make some serious bank using just Pinterest. This option is great if you can get it, because instead of your payout being click or commission based, brands will usually pay you a flat fee for the collaboration. Essentially, they're paying for the exposure to your audience. You provide the eyes, and what the consumer then does is their problem, not yours. Of course, you still want to put your best foot forward. You want your collaborations to be successful. That way, they can open the door to future projects to help you make more money and help more people find solutions to their needs, whatever your niche may be. 7. Become a Pinterest virtual assistant or consultant. Last, but certainly not least, you can get paid to pin for someone else. While Pinterest doesn't pay people to pin, brands and influencers who are expected to pin but may not have the time to do it themselves will often hire virtual assistants to do the pinning for them. This means you would log in as them and find and create pins that fit their brand. When you pin for someone else, you have to learn their likes and dislikes and pin appropriately. But if you like to pin, it could be a fun job. Plus, VAs can make pretty decent hourly rates just to sit at home in their pajamas and pin. And if you have some success and learn how to grow an audience pinning for other people and yourself, you can even become a Pinterest consultant. Instead of making the pins yourself or doing the pinning, you would meet with bloggers, shop owners, brands, and so on to look at their Pinterest presence and guide them as to how they can build their audience, some steps they can take for more engagement, and advice on how to improve their content for the current Pinterest market. Or if they're not on Pinterest yet, your job would be to help them come up with a strategy and look for their Pinterest page. To get this kind of gig, you'll have to build up your expertise and air of authority. But if you like to pin, you can make hundreds of dollars in just a few hours for high-level consulting work like that. And remember, not everyone likes or wants to learn about Pinterest. By solving their problem for them and telling them how to proceed, or doing the pinning for them, you might feel like you're getting away with something, being paid to pin, but for your clients, you're serving a vital purpose they couldn't or didn't want to have to deal with themselves. Another win-win situation. So, in summary, can you make money on Pinterest? Absolutely! Our biggest tips are to use free tools like Canva to make your own graphics, read resources on marketing via Pinterest, make sure you read the rules so you don't end up in hot water, and then just have fun with building yourself a healthy side hustle using one of the most popular social sites out there today. Do your best to provide value, make good content, and be patient. If you can manage that, you will start a following and start to make money. If you do those things and choose a few of these 7 methods to make money on Pinterest, you'll be seeing the cash roll in sooner than you know it. While many Pinterest-based businesses start slow, and nothing or $50 to a few $100s a month. Once you're well established, you can make $1,000 a month, with top earners making as much as $10,000 a month. Worth it? You tell us. Sound off in the comments to let us know if you're excited by this and love to pin, or if you think this all sounds like a little too much work for you. Pinterest is continuing to grow, so there's no sign of opportunities drying up anytime soon. But be warned, they do like to change the rules now and then, so stay on top of your strategy and consider diversifying platforms. You can check out our videos about making money on YouTube and Instagram, for example, if you want to make sure your income stream isn't limited by the decisions of any one company. And after some time, you could be making an impressive income, hundreds of thousands a year, using just the internet and a little bit of time. Liked this video? Give us a thumbs up and let us know, and subscribe below so you can keep learning new ways to earn money every day.